Alright, we are out here with the Repelling Texas Star and a Walther PDP Compact. Running in the Appendix rig today, doing everything from my concealed. The only thing is, my dot, this little Swamp Fox, is very dim. I'll try a new battery, but I'm pretty sure this is a fresh one from about a month ago. It's just, my green doesn't pop up very bright to me. Anyway, let's give this a run here. See, guy on YouTube wanted to see it, so here you go. There we go. Not bad. I think I have one mic in there, but 954 overall for 10 targets. Not too bad. And I forgot my timer, so let's just get it. Pete. Not god awful, but not great either. I can barely pick that dot up, man, especially in between shots. It's really having to search for it. Ah, there it is. Barely cleared it. Last round too. I'll take that. I'll take it. It's ugly, but I'll take it.